Here I've got Huawei MediaPad M5 and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. At the very beginning you have to open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick sounds, and now go to Do Not Disturb. Here you can simply activate this mode by tapping on this switcher, so as you can see, once it's active, a moon icon will appear in the status bar and alarms will ring or vibrate. And that's it. Now it's active, then you can switch it off the same way, and if you'd like to schedule this mode, simply click on Scheduled, pick the time, so at first select if you would like it to be repeated on Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday every day, or at some custom days, so let me pick Custom and select the days, so I will pick Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, click on Done, and then just personalize the time, so let me pick Start Time, it can be 9 o'clock, and then end time 5 AM next day. And that will be all. Let's go back. Now just enable this mode, and as you can see, on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday between 9 and 5 next day, DND mode will be active. It will be automatically turned on and off. And that will be all. You can switch this to rule off simply like that, and also add a new one if you want to add some, for example, rule for weekends. And that's all. This is how you can activate DND mode in your device, in your Huawei MediaPad M5. Now you can protect your focus once you need it the most. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.